Kojo Obin Junior was signed 2 years. Ede ama Heart of Lions Bobo Kuno. Yami adma gamanche. Homo cap no. Webo tiani forma. Atakwa mamintiwe.
Kwame. House of Folk NMSN Omoji Ayaresa do na from the studios of
Omoji Ayaresa.
Aye.
Eso mo yare.
Aye. Say senior eyom ho adwuma me susu se aso ete asema senior kan e bia no omoma attention enko House of Folk hon kakra. Nti se de na make say omomom na ene Ayaresa do na komo no indeed we transfers and so we're breaking it down. Do na ye House of Folk players. One, the woman is a House of Folk. Omo technical structure no omo hwe kakra. Because Eugene, won't me promote player from your Aurora's youth side. Emma player no generate embe household name. Not all of a sudden, no. Now we're terminating the contract. We're terminating the contract now within 24 hours. Not team for a sign.
Yeah, man.
It's a cooker. And it's a cooker. There are some players ye say House of Folk are investing much in them. Abdulaziz Nuruddin here one example. O Free Vision FC buy Obebo House of Folk kakra under hwie gu yen so Samobodu or excel oko injury no na e demand say e was House of Folk e dey go outside the country e go invest e foreign medicals mu e ma Abdulaziz Nuruddin e come back to the normal self back to the normal self. Bia starting lineup no ntimi nwuram and chinese manenko without the team getting nothing out of these players.
Officially House of Folk at the release be about one thing.
Okay.
I will say update mutual termination Yakubu Zakaria. So I play me kai so free Dubiase ana team bi na ofi ko or a defender mutual termination. Released Richard Atta. Transferred to Vision FC. Now say Isako Kano House of Folk in the transfer no. So what I say. And I released Salifu Ibrahim. See House of Folk so release na kakra.
But you
Nuruddin no metete say waka champion for say House no ntimi mobiem. But officially House of Folk bibia mai.
But me more House of Folk omobaso.
Say
with this image here omodia be obekaya ye ni program wa ha na me try to compare kwanya kotoko e fa so announce players or move free kotoko against players na House of Folk and so o me free me to be kaya lister ye nya na ye A4 sheet ya printed the anto so na make say House of Folk standard no. These are not some of the things I hear from home. And the time I ordered to, so I'm very happy say on what this images eba clarify media space the moment I the baso. But said the kind Richard Atta has been released. Na Richard Atta release na abano. Me enka say House of Folk say omoji continuity dia. They should grab Richard Atta after football.
They should grab him.
Yes.
Now there was a player don't say or retire now.
I'm not saying say or retire, but ebia omo monitor no.
Treatment no team need na fam no menya sure so benya akoma pa asa be serve as Folk.
Pe and asema already ye e wo on the post you there.
Atakra. Sir, me no ye adwuma.
Sorry.
Na ebia me hu mu say adwuma metimi aye na won support ma me nya adwuma no na we release me opamo me a
I'll not come back to say
me better why nya gidi o me mu
but un say what kind of I was
and there's no actual you see Bismarck Fatosuma and there you see adia se le be ya me nkogu e bia me Opemsuo radio na me hu sem adia bi o metimi aye pa ba ye ma me kwan ma menye asiye mama ya asiye ma menye e wa na Opemsuo so ki okra ya bro entimi no nya adwuma biem na me kwa me sa hu se na me wo Opemsuo no mo ni ma ni ni there is no way but me kono ebia me ho ebia me ho nipa na me aja ade Opemsuo for the year me pa de but say me ba public level ka say na Opemsuo anyem se mo anyem se ndie me nye bida me gu Opemsuo ho fi ene me na we aye no but deep within the player no me na din komo deep within the player no
no.
Oh masa
but
it is so has of folk monitor no come the goalkeeper's coach
of course you should on say unim dey tell make us because in recent times has of folk former players ni be esu say after football they are not giving the chance back to the team
and is that us na you dey don't
but it's quite
a few goalkeeper's trainer why former goalkeeper Benjamin
Dida
oh this Nancy Akra no oh me referee goalkeeper from no Odin Kasia Kamai and we ask no call so I say
but Richard Atta also oba Robert survey pa obe survey pa but you can say e be at the form ne DP but players are not omo commitment say has just initial omo gina game for us folk na niam ankoya you could see from their actions body movement Richard Atta at a point on what to me say
career no yes so if you all blacks so do all blacks na join the House of Folk okay. Benjamin Akomia Boateng, thanks for the correction to us sorry
and Richard Atta in that capacity I think say at a point on what to me say the form no at the po the body no get bloated images are now why intensive training a loose body weight coming back to the goal post but buy and who know Richard Atta na or born homode a commande Black Star call up Kwame player I can say he's a player he has once upon a time joined the Black Stars of Ghana at the AFCON level. The last House of Folk player, what many Black Stars are called a major competition, a Richard Atta. The last House of Folk player, what many House of Folk are called a major competition, a Richard Atta, formerly of Elmina Sharks. It's me no corner Richard Atta corner. I think say empenyin foreign anymore. He has not been able to give the performances now. Ebe commanding say onu mom na enda goal post him on a match day and Farmer House of Folk. Yeah, baby, we season ni ehu a name in Ketia. Even a more recent competitive game omo boy against Kotoko, which is the Democratic Cup in Ketia na die.
Oh no, that's all.
It's Richard Atta. Even though say after the official say free has. But yen kind the last time you who say all the goal post Mama House of Folk. But this is a player yen can say he started very well. Kwame over kind the days of House of Folk wa brana Omoji League, you know. Some obodu time, you know. Over kind Kotokone has dear a free banner a shed the only goal. Okay, Richard Atta saves point blank saves or yeah. Emma has stay game and Sana House of Folk ever benya that goal from a free banner. It's Richard Atta free house no. Even though year season no that keeper House of Folk for a bonny d at the no. But if it's about House of Folk no won't disgrace in itself cry. He has won about 4 major titles. 1 League Cup, 2 FA Cups, 1 President's Cup. It's in the 4 years now I've been with Folk. He has trophies or they call fee akobɔ ne bra. But you must say at the latter age of the goalkeeping career no. Richard Atta ye who know wa bra of free Elmina Sharks buy na oye the number 1 spot Emma as a folk empo otimi a convince Black Stars coach Emma did din a car players e ko Afcon ho kire say he was a keeper na you expecting better than the ehunu. But unfortunately sana football tie because it was starting, you know, and man, the expectation is very high. Into Bekaya, Afcon na acquire when you beyond Nampuno. Supporters, both hard supporters, Kotoko supporters, were preaching say we should give him the chance to keep the post. Because no about Ghana Premier League, no, am I that splendid performance? It will go post new for us to folk. And one thing is to say, Ope players are more issues off the field and can disciplinary actions. Richard Atta top notch. Ope kai season now. Omo league near so say has of folk players are engaging in bribery scandal. When you say Richard Atta and boa investigative team no me who say indeed these players got involved, these players were free. Yes. Into Richard Atta ni days Atta so folk there. You bet me aka say oh baby we there na enkoyi. But from the point of joining Fufro till say or joining Black Stars and they have stay disciplined with us of folk, no, Eugene. One of those players I believe say Senka after football, after one hanging the boots, say our bank team not as serving in a different capacity and Kabebwa. But one man who say our yaw be when you move a fat team has a folk home.
Number Kumasi one who say has a folk supporters nano muse huruno. Mzwa kese.
Is because management and tiny chi wa brandem remu.
Why do you expect such?
Once a senior Kasim say football, ye nya bibia more players ni so. Eugene. Football, ye nya bibia more players ni so. Almost psychology crown, there should be someone that indeed time in time out or be monitor players in the psyche no already no problems now what me buano amana solve issues no say the be ya obegina pitch ni so a ye benya the performances a ye per free players no in the case of Richard Atta the media mimi susu say he started well into the management of us of folk komu no as a team project enkanka wa bra onya that Black Star call up no. They could have managed the standard not at that level. Say, he is our player. The next tournament again, Ekono. I was say, your technical team, your management team, and if se Kobe Krana, he should be at that level as a goalkeeper. But Omu Jainis and when we say in foreign land, say player mpo or diet mpo is being regulated.
Oh yes.
Say ti ya boro chena tabas ya boro so say why watena wa aye ahwehan aye kese as a goalkeeper. Then there is a problem in the management of us folk. Because also was a clubhouse. All the players are supposed to be kept in the clubhouse. And say this time round, it is after all these things, now you are not able to manage players' personal movement, players' personal errands. A management level na kakra. It is a bonus of what's now why I can see. And yes, from the other side of the coin say a football team biano, football players. Is being managed because Oma sign contracts. Meaning, Professor won't mean come Manchester. na embo anadwo 9 na as a player unkotena awache ho se wokọ akoto adi
emo say
de be che what ya say
9 say 9 anwumre
9 na player bi en number ntema ebi obepa awache adi onam tech junction okope dokunedi
come down only di
oh you we a player se me metimi akoto adi because ebi ade chi a me exert energy e wo dwumadi a me yem ba wo de wo ye player abo na dwo 9 wo ba tech junction wo be pe indomie adi eni kosu ya chi ade chi na pa 7 a e wo sa wo jogging to training grounds busa wo se wo fa sa aduane na as a player emo anopa 5:30 4:30 na wa fafo asori air jogging no wo betimi be in that state a wo be join your man na ni nyina house of football management ejai players ne saa enti se Richard Atel call na new players e ba ye be sere enu kwa so mu ja o majeje mu saa o mo monitor mu movement o mo dua ne die de be chewate ase se de be ya Opemsuo Richard Atel a eduru point bi no a bloat no as a goalkeeper why very bulky yem pesa saa be si bi but in all things I think that Richard Atel was serve house of football media come say hu say oba baka be serve ya kebeboa but yaw ninti say the mama ya aware no I will not see him and he's one of those players na omugina pitch so a o kire say odo house of folk o kire say ope house of folk Eugene